Alright guys, here comes the behind schedule Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 538. That is her eastbound train on its way to Sacramento. Oh my gosh, that guy's just walking, coming down, just playing with his music. I hope I cannot get a copyright music in my video. I'm gonna have to talk over. But guys, instead of it saying 542, because I don't know if trains 542 is running today. That's why they're right now they're putting behind train 538 on its way to Auburn. Right, here it is now. Cap car 8301 Mount Whitney. SC 442108. Alright, there goes off your eastbound Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 538. That's your final destination of that train to Auburn. That train was behind schedule after train 540, because I don't know if train 542 would be coming right now. Thanks. I think after Sacramento, then it will be Roseville, Rockland, and then Auburn.